With Euro 24 just around the corner, I'll review these 4 Hungary jerseys, which are really beautiful, really nice. But before starting, tell me in the comments below which team are you supporting on the Euro 24, which other jerseys should I order, should I review. I won't review all 4 of them, only these 2, because of course they are the same. But let's start with the first, the white jersey. This is the front and it looks amazing. On the national team jerseys there's always number on the front of the jersey too, and of course the badge of the federation, the Adidas logo now on the center, and of course the Hungary badge. On the inner side of the jersey, on the neck, this is the size S and it's a half v-neck, half rounded collar. And of course this is how the UEFA 24 badge looks like. And now we go further to the 3 red stripes. And the color of the jersey, as I said, this is elastic material which assures you breathability. The other UEFA Foundation for Children badge, again this is how it looks like. But now let's go to the back. This is the official font. It looks amazing. As you can see, it's dark green with these small dots which are real dots. And the name of the jersey, of course, let's not forget about this little detail which makes the jersey stand out even more. And now let's go to the second jersey, which is the red jersey, the home jersey for Hungary. Of course, again the beautiful Hungarian badge embroidered, because there are no player version jerseys available from these Hungarian jerseys. The Adidas logo embroidered as well, and the same technique embroidery using the federation's badge. Here are white stripes on the shoulders, and this one is size XL, so it's bigger. But I think at fan versions you should go with your usual size. This white stripe and this black stripe on the jersey, and it's Aero Ready technology, as you can see from Adidas. And going to the back, again the same font of the number, but this time it's white, again with small dots. It's a really nice design for number. I really like it. It really makes the customization stand out. And of course the name, again, as you know, you can write any name, any number. And this will be all about the jersey. But tell me, which team are you supporting on Euro 24? It's just 1 week until the first game, so I can't wait, and probably we all can't wait, because 3 matches are coming per day, which will be just amazing. Cheer for your team, order a jersey if you didn't order one yet. And yeah, don't forget to use my link to get $5 off. Thank you, goodbye, enjoy the Euro 24.